Welcome to Legal Learns.
Good morning, madam. Madam, please clarify the Indian residency status.
Sure, I can explain residential status as per income tax to you, Rama. Please feel free to ask me any questions you may have along the way. Residential status in income tax refers to the classification of an individual's tax status based on their presence or absence in India during a financial year. An individual can be classified as a resident, non-resident, or resident but not ordinarily resident, RNOR. The residential status determines the individual's tax liability in India.
Okay then, how do you prove residency for tax purposes?
To determine your residential status for income tax purposes, the following questions can help. 1. Did you stay in India for 182 days or more in the financial year, April to March? 2. Did you stay in India for 60 days or more in the financial year and 365 days or more in the preceding 4 financial years? 3. Are you an Indian citizen or a person of Indian origin? If the answer to question 1 is yes, then you are considered a resident in India for tax purposes. If the answer to question 1 is no, then we need to proceed to question 2. If the answer to question 2 is yes, then you are considered a resident in India for tax purposes. If the answer to both questions 1 and 2 is no, then we need to proceed to question 3. If the answer to question 3 is yes, then you are considered a resident in India for tax purposes. If the answer to all 3 questions is no, then you are considered a non-resident in India for tax purposes. If you're a resident in India, your global income is taxable in India. However, if you're a non-resident, only the income earned in India is taxable in India. If you are classified as RNOR, your foreign income is not taxable in India for the first 2 years after your return to India. However, your Indian income is taxable in India. After the first 2 years, you will be treated as a resident for tax purposes and your global income will be taxable in India. I hope this helps, Rama. Please let me know if you have any more questions.
No, madam. Thank you for your information.
Bye. Class. See you tomorrow.